Good morning, Steve Freed with the Morning Grain Comments. Hope everybody had a great weekend. And right now we've got beans down about 8 cents, corn unchanged, wheat up 3. The outside markets, we did have the stock market a little bit lower. Gold is lower and taking profits. Crude's a little bit lower, and the dollar is also a little bit lower. Copper is also lower. So I think, this is the month-end, quarter-end, and USDA report. We'll be watching very closely to see what the USDA says about September 1 stocks, and also an estimate, new estimate of the U.S. wheat crop. Trade isn't really looking for anything different than higher corn stocks from last year, higher wheat stocks from last year, and a little bit higher bean stocks than last year. For corn and soybeans, these are Indian carryout numbers, so we should not too far from what the USDA is currently saying. Wheat crops, they're showing a slight decline in the crop. As far as weather is concerned, it looks like the central part of Brazil has a chance to see some showers on day 8 or 9 in the forecast. All the models suggest more frequent showers for the dry areas of central Brazil after that. Argentina could also see some needed rains. So right now that'll eventually help pick up the planting pace for the South American corn and soybean crops. Still dry in parts of the western Midwest, central Midwest, and southern plains, which could slow the planting of the U.S. 2025 hard red winter wheat crop. Still dry in the Black Sea, but eventually the forecasters see the rains that are currently in Europe shifting further east and allowing for some shower activity in the dry areas of Russia. So we'll see what the USDA has to say today. We'll see how the market wants to react to month-end, quarter-end. Funds are liquidating a portion of their short positions in the grain room, especially in soybeans, and they added to their long positions in meal. So choppy trade continues. Some people think that corn's in a trading range until 50-60% of the crop is harvested and could have a little bit of bounce after that. Wheat market, hard to rally with Russian prices still low, and they are offering wheat at good quantities at lower prices. And the soybean market continues to chop around. Last week, testing some good highs, but backing off on farmers selling and this chance for rains in parts of the dry areas of South America.